Hi students, today we can study exercise 4.5 question number 5. What is question? Find inverse of the matrices. In here one matrix given, we have to find out inverse of matrix. In last chapter, that is chapter 3, already was studied inverse of matrix. How can find out? But in here we are not using that method. In previous question, you verify one formula, adjoint of A into A equal to determinant of A into I. So already verify this like one formula, isn't it? Then this determinant of A bring to left side, that will be 1 by determinant of A. Then adjoint of A into A equal to I. Then determinant of 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A equal to this A bring to right side, that will be 1 by A. I. Then 1 by determinant of A, adjoint of A equal to, what is 1 by A? 1 by A we can write A inverse. This I means identity matrix, that no need to write. If you multiple with identity matrix, that will not change. Then now we got one formula, that is A inverse equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Then using by this formula we can find out inverse of this matrix. First step, give one name, let A equal to given matrix. Now we can find out determinant of A. Now determinant of A equal to determinant of 2 minus 2 4 3 equal to 2 into 3 we can write 6 minus 4 into minus 2 minus 8 equal to 6 minus into minus plus 6 plus 8, that is 14. Now we got a determinant of A is 14. Next, adjoint of A. For find out adjoint of A, we have to find out all cofactors, isn't it? We can find out cofactors. First, A11 minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. A11 means, just leave it, this first row and first column. Then which number remaining? 3. Equal to minus 1 all square, that will be plus 1 into 3. 3. Next, A12 minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 2. This is 1 plus 2. First row and second column. First row and second column just delete, then remaining 4. Equal to minus 1, 1 plus 2 is 3. Minus 1 all cube is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, minus 4. Next, A21. Second row and first column. Second row and first column. Delete that one. Remaining minus 2. First we can write minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 1. Then remaining minus 2. Then minus 1 all cube, that will be minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2 will get 2. Plus 2. A22. A22 we can write minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 2. Just leave it, this second row and second column, then remaining only 2 equal to minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be 1 into 2, you will get 2. Now adjoint of A. Adjoint of A means transpose of cofactor matrix. That means 3 minus 4, 3 minus 4, 2, 2 equal to, when you take transpose of any matrix, interchange that rows and columns. First row we can make as first column 3 minus 4. Second row we can make as second column 2, 2. This is adjoint of A. Therefore we can write A inverse. A inverse, already we have written one formula, that is 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A equal to 1 by determinant of A. What is determinant of A? We already got it, that is 14 into matrix. Adjoint of A. Adjoint of A is 3, 2 minus 4, 2. 1 by 14 into matrix 3, 2 minus 4, 2. This is our inverse of given matrix. Next question is question number 6. Find inverse of given matrix. First step, give one name. Let A equal to matrix minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2. What is first step? First step, we have to find out determinant of A. Because you know how can find out inverse of any matrix. A inverse we can write 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. This is the formula. In here, first we have to find out determinant of A. Now, a determinant of A equal to, we can write determinant of minus 1, 5, minus 3, 2 equal to, just cross multiple, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, then common minus, minus 3 into 5, minus 15 equal to, minus 2, minus into minus plus, minus 2 plus 15, 15 minus 2 will get 13. Now we got a determinant of given matrix, that is 13. Next, we have to find out adjoint of A. For adjoint of A, first find out all cofactors. Cofactors A11, capital letter A11, minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1. This minus 1 always we will use. Then this 1 plus 1, this first row, first column. Then if we consider 1, 1, first row and first column, just delete, then remaining only 2 equal to minus 1 all square, that will be plus 1 into 2, 2. A1, 2, minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 2. A1, 2, first row and second column, just delete that one, first row and second column, then remaining minus 3 equal to minus 1 all cube, that will be minus 1 into minus 3 plus 3. Next, A21, minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 1, A21, that is minus 3, second row and first column, then remaining only 5 equal to minus 1 all cube will be minus 1 into 5, you will get 5. A22, minus 1 all raised to 2 plus 2. A22 means second row and second column, just delete, then remaining minus 1 equal to minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be plus 1, then plus 1 into minus 1, you will get minus 1. Now we can write adjoint of A. What is adjoint of A? That is transpose of transpose of cofactor matrix. Cofactor matrix we can write, already we got it, cofactors 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. Equal to interchange rows and columns, you will get 2, 3, minus 5, minus 1. Okay. Now A inverse that is keep in mind, that is determinant of A is 13. Therefore A inverse we can write 1 by determinant of A adjoint of A equal to 1 by determinant of A 13 into adjoint of A is 2 minus 5 3 minus 1. This is our A inverse. Now we can see question number 7. Find inverse of one matrix given order is 3. First give one name, let capital letter A equal to given matrix. Now find out determinant of A. Determinant of A equal to determinant 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 4, 0, 0, 5. Then we can expanding along. Which row or which column we will use? We can use first column because in first column 2 zeros are there, isn't it? Otherwise you can use third row also. In there also two zeros are there. Then anyway we can use first column C1. That time 1 into delete first column and first row, then 2 into 5 10 minus 0 into 4 0 equal to, then 10 minus 0 10, then into 1 10. I will get determinant of this matrix, we got 10. Then cofactors, all cofactors we have to find out. Cofactors, first A11 equal to, then minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 1, a determinant of 1 1, that means first row and first column just delete, then remaining 2 4 0 5, 2 4 0 5 equal to minus 1 all square, that will be plus 1, then 2 into 5 10 minus 0 into 4 0, you will get 10. A11 is 10, then A12 minus 1 1 plus 2, determinant of 1 2, first row and second column, then what is remaining 0 4 0 5 equal to minus 1 into, in here minus 1 all raised to 3, that is minus 1, 0 into 5 0 minus 0 into 4 0. You will get answer 0. Next A13 minus 1 all raised to 1 plus 3, determinant of this 3, we have to find out cofactor of 3, first row and third column just delete, then remaining 0 to 0 0. Equal to minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be plus 1, then 0 into 0 0 minus 0 into 2 0, answer will be 0. Next A21 second row and first column just delete that one, you can write first minus 1 2 plus 1, and determinant of Just delete second row and first column, then remaining 2, 3, 0, 5. Equal to minus 1 whole cube, that will be minus 1. 2 into 5, 10, minus 0 into 3, 0. Equal to 10 minus 0, 10. Minus 1 into 10, you will get minus 10. A22. A22 minus 1, 2 plus 2. Determinant of A22. This element. Second row and second column, just delete, then remaining 1, 3, 0, 5. 1, 3, 0, 5. Minus 1 all raised to 4, that will be plus 1, no need to write. Then 1 into 5, 5 minus 0 into 3, 0. A 2, 3. Minus 1, 2 plus 3. Determinant of this element. Just delete second row and third column. Then 1, 2, 0, 0. 1, 2, 0, 0. Equal to minus 1 whole raised to 5. That will be minus 1. Then 1 to 0, 0 minus 0 into 2, 0. Equal to, we'll get 0. A 3, 1. 3, 1 means this element. Minus 1, 3 plus 1. Just delete third row and first column. 2, 3, 4, 2, 4. 2, 3, 2, 4. Equal to minus 1 all raised to 4. That will be plus 1. Then you can multiple this 2. 2 into 4, 8. Minus 2 into 3, 6. Equal to. Then A32 equal to minus 1, 3 plus 2, determinant of, from here we can find out. 3, 2. 3, 2 means third row and second column, 1, 3, 0, 4. 1, 3, 0, 4. Equal to minus 1 all raised to 5. Minus 1, minus you will get. Then 1 into 4, 4, isn't it? 4 minus 1, 0 into 3, 0. You will get minus 4. Then A33. A33 means minus 1 all raised to 3 plus 3. Determinant of 33 means third row and third column. Then remaining 1, 2, 0, 2. Then this will be plus 1. 1 into 2, 2 minus 0 into 2, 0. Now we got all cofactors, so we can write adjoint of A equal to transpose of cofactor matrix. You can write 10, 0, 0, 10, 0, 0, then 5, 0, 2, no, A21. So 5, 0, then 2, 2, minus 4, 2. We have to find out transpose. Keep in mind, this is our determinant 10. Interchange rows and columns, you will get 10, 0, 0, this one, 5, 0, 2 minus 4, 2. This is our adjoint matrix. Now A inverse. A inverse equal to 1 by adjoint of A. 1 by determinant of A, already got it 10, into adjoint of A, that is 10, 10, 2, 0, 5, minus 4, 0, 0. This is our inverse matrix.